Let's learn how you can upload the video on Google Drive and share the link of it to someone. So let's start by opening our Google Drive application. Now you want to click on this plus button and then click on upload file. Now you want to click on photos and videos, and you can just go to videos or whatever you want. And here you need to select the video you want to upload and then click upload button in top right corner. Now you need to hit upload again and wait for it to finish uploading. Now when it did upload, you just need to refresh and there will be your video. Now to share that video you created, you need to click on three dots and click on share. Here you need to enter the email of a user you want to share with and just click on done when you did that. So that's it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next